Hi guys, so today we're going to be doing the turtle drawing in Python. So first we need to import the turtle. Oh, wait. Next we do this. Turtle. And now I'm just going to say all 90 degrees. And to change the background color, wait no, turtle.bg color. Let's just say blue. And then t.left 90 degrees. And then t.forward 90 degrees. Now let's run it. And there you go. You got half a square. Now to do a circle, we do. Oh wait, no, that's not nice. And then we get a circle. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Remember to smash that subscribe button and hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. I'll see you next time. Bye.